The length of time it takes to be approved for Social Security disability benefits varies greatly and depends on a number of factors. My name is Caitlin Wildonor, and I'm an attorney who helps disabled clients obtain their disability benefits as quickly as possible so they can focus on getting better. Today, we're going to talk about how long it can take for your Social Security disability case to be approved. I first want to say that these timeframes are estimates and just that, time frames. Depending on the specifics of your case, your time frame might be longer or it might be shorter. The entire process from initial application to approval can be months or even years. And when you submit your initial application, it can start a little slow. It often takes between 4 and 6 months before you receive that initial decision. If the initial decision is an approval, that's wonderful. If the initial decision is a denial, then you file a request for reconsideration. The request for reconsideration stage is similar to the initial application stage and often takes between 4 to 6 months for that reconsideration decision to be mailed to you. If the reconsideration decision is an approval, congratulations. If the reconsideration decision is another denial, then you file a request for hearing. Here's where the timeline can start to drag out. The hearing stage is often longer than the first two, as you are awaiting a hearing date scheduled with an administrative law judge. It can often take 12 months or more from the time the hearing is requested, not the time your initial application was submitted, not when you got the denial, not when you filed the reconsideration, not when you got the reconsideration denial, but up to and even longer than 1 year from when you file that request for hearing. Once your hearing is scheduled and held, several more months can sometimes pass before the decision is written and sent to you in the mail. If the administrative law judge finds in your favor, that's great. If the administrative law judge denies your case, you can file an appeal up to the appeals council. This stage can also be quite lengthy, ranging from 3 months to a year or more. If the appeals council remands or reverses the unfavorable decision in your case, you might have additional wait time before a second hearing can be held. If the appeals council declines to review your case, you can file an appeal in federal court. As you can see, there are timeframes at each stage, which can vary from case to case. And depending on where in the process your case is actually approved, it might take only a few months from application to approval, or it can take several years. Thanks so much for watching. If you're disabled and unable to work, click the scheduling link below or call directly for a free consultation where we discuss your case and see what I can do to help you.